Hola, welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, it's all about conquering my task list. I have a lot of yard work to do and I have some things that I want to do around the house as well. I'm also feeling creative, so let's see what I can get my hands into. If you are new here, my name is Kim, 𝐄𝐈𝐒. I do a lot of videos pertaining to home life or home management, so DIYs, cleaning, cooking, projects, all kinds of repairs, that sort of thing. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out and also show that like button some love. I'm very well aware that my entryway is boring, so you don't need to leave it in the comments. Eventually, I'm going to hook it up, but for right now, it just needs a little bit of cleaning. I'm cleaning off this front door with my magic concoction. If you are not aware of what that is, it's called Kim's Magic Concoction and it consists of vinegar, the Blue Dawn dish soap, isopropyl alcohol, and water. And then I also have the window cleaner linked in my description box below.
I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you
Okay, this is the artwork that I removed from the entryway. It is time to change this artwork. This is something that I painted a long time ago. Y'all know I like to paint. I like to be creative. It doesn't always come out the way that I want it to, but at least I try, right? My first option is to just cover this up, potentially glue this piece together. Let me show you. It looks all crazy because I just took it out of the package. I literally, when I first ordered it, thought that there was a frame with it, but there's not. So here's the option here. Let me show you. I'll lay it flat. Or the other thing I can do is paint this frame and put it in this frame and hang it on the wall. So let me just say that the entryway is a work in progress. I haven't found the perfect artwork to go there, and that's fine. It's okay. It's not a big deal. But I did feel like being creative, as I previously stated, so I'm just going to go ahead and be creative. How are all of you doing? What are you watching? What are you reading? Let me know below in the comments. If you've been here for a while, you know I've been working on this book called The Senator's Wife. I still have not finished it. The book is amazing, but I rent it off of Libby, which is an app on your phone that's a library. So, you know, you can only have it for 21 days. And let's be real, I don't read every single day because your girl be busy. But I was able to check out the book recently, so I'm going to hopefully finish it. I literally just finished The Vikings of Valhalla on Netflix, and I don't know what I'm about to watch. There's a lot of options. I just don't know what I want to watch. I know a lot of you aren't TV people. I am a TV person as of 2021, just because of unforeseen events that went on in my life. And I feel like TV is an escape route for me. Everybody has a way that they need to cope with things, right? When they're dealing with anxiety, depression, any kind of mental health ailment. What do you do to kind of cope with life? Let me know below in the comments. A few other things that I do that I've always spoken extremely loud about is I definitely speak life into myself on a daily basis. I say my affirmations. I get up with gratitude. The moment that I have negative thoughts in my mind, I really do try to turn them around. And for me, sometimes I'm that type of person, well, all the time. I'm that person, if something's bothering me and I talk about it, I'm typically good about 5 minutes later, because at the end of the day, I'm alive and I just have a lot to be, thankful for. I'm very blessed. The goal for this picture is to make it look antiqued. Now I feel like I did a pretty good job of making the previous picture look antique. I just did not finish it. So I'm trying to finish it in a different way that I saw on YouTube. I don't remember the name of the artist, but they were amazing. When I tell you that they really try to make things look like they're so easy, and I'm like, you know what, my brain don't work like that, but I'm here for it. I'm trying it. That's all that matters. And I had fun. This is what it looks like. This is not the home that it's going to be in, but I just wanted to hang it up so you could see. Moving right along to the outside, there's a lot of things that I need to do here. I'm not going to be able to get everything done because I do have plans to go to the 𝐬𝐵 and Ribfest here soon. But I wanted to get all of these spider webs from around the door because they've been getting in the house. So I've been placing my little cups of vinegar down just to take them out because your girl ain't got no time for no spiders, okay? Another thing was we were blessed with an additional flower garden. Like some birds just really love me and they decided to leave their little droppings all around, and now I have all these random flowers and they're going crazy. So my husband is going to take some of them up and we're going to get this area cleaned up a little bit.
When we're floating, I got nothing on my shoulders. Wait a minute, I just gotta take a deep breath, and we'll dive in the deep end. I'll follow you down to the ocean. I'm making you drown in emotion. We should go underwater, take a look way deeper, way below the surface. We can finally breathe out. We should go underwater, where the light can't reach us. No one there to judge us. We can finally breathe out.
Wanted to take a break from being outside. It was really hot. So we went to Giant Eagle, came home. Now we're going to unload these groceries. No kind of haul or anything like that. We are freezer food people. So we wanted to get our freezer on full. It was like half full. So for us, half full is empty. So we wanted to make sure that we restock that. Have you ever been in a situation where you may have made a decision in your past that wasn't the best decision for you, and you've lived with it, you've forgiven yourself, you've moved on, but then you see that friend that you've had since 1952 and they're like, girl, you remember when X, Y, and Z? Like, it's almost hard for them to watch you grow up because you're not that same person anymore. Have any of you ever had that experience? Let me know below in the comments. Just know that every decision you make, right, wrong, or indifferent, it is a part of the journey that God has you on, okay? God doesn't make any mistakes at all whatsoever. You have to make these decisions in order to grow, and growth hurts. It's not a good feeling.
Very good.
And there are times where we actually grow out of people. So think about that. I know for me personally, I made all kind of crazy and horrible, terrible decisions, and I knew better, but that's okay because guess what? I learned from that experience. So whatever negative experience that you're having or you have had in the past, just know that there's always something positive that's going to come out of that, whether it be wisdom, whether it be growth, whether it be you having a testimony for someone. So never come down on yourself for making bad decisions. Just be sure to learn from them and grow so you're not making those same decisions over and over and over again, because that right there is the definition of insanity, because nothing is going to change. All right, so back to the video. How are you guys storing your cilantro? I'm going to wrap this up and put it in a plastic bag. After it dries, of course.
You look so good in my sweater. Winter is my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close.
Since I'm in the decluttering mood, actually I'm not. Our hot water tank is giving us some issues, so somebody's about to come look at it. I'm gonna move all of this stuff out of here. Now, I told you this video had so many things on the to-do list to do, and that's exactly what is going on. Honestly, I'm just happy I'm getting some of the things done that are getting done because they've been on my list for a while.
I need you close. Yeah. Na, na, na,
That is staying.
na, 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 na. Every day, look away. Na, 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 na. Every day, look away.
When I took the cover off this furniture, I saw a bunch of silky spider webs, so I sprayed everything down with super clean, and now I'm just rinsing it off.
We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me, it's harder. Feels like I'm stuck underwater. Can't hold my breath. Don't know what's there. No, na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away.
So I'm not really sure what the camera was doing when I was cleaning off the sliding glass door in the window. I know it was windy, but I think what ended up happening is I must have hit something for the lens to like zoom in and out the way that it did. That was just really weird. That's never happened to me before. So let's talk about these weeds. A lot of you had a lot of things to say about us not putting a weed barrier down. Just know that people make decisions for reasons that may not be discussed because they don't really have to be discussed because it's their home, number one. Number two is my patio space is 12 by 12. It's not a big space at all. This takes me 15 minutes to get these weeds out, the weeds that I'm not able to get out, my husband does. And I always put a concoction on them to kill the weeds as well as boiling water. So it, like I said, takes 15 minutes to do tops. Just let me get my vitamin D in peace and worry about your own weeds, okay? Because ain't nobody over here helping Kim but the hubs. I'm just saying. I do appreciate all of you being here today. Please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out and be kind to someone. Show somebody some love. We finally made it to the Jazz and Ribfest, and it's about 11 a.m. Nobody's here, and that's perfectly fine because we are first in line to get some food, okay?